Hey there. This video shows you how to turn off app notification sounds on Android devices in 2026 in a simple and effective way. Follow these easy steps to mute or fully disable notifications for any app without affecting other phone settings. Open the Settings app page. Scroll down and tap on Notifications to access all notification related controls and options available on your device. Select App Notifications from the list, where you will see all installed apps on your phone. Tap the app you want to control, such as WhatsApp, Instagram, or any other application you wish to mute. Inside the app notification settings, locate the sound and vibration option and disable it to stop notification sounds. If you want to completely stop notifications, turn off the main toggle at the top of the page to block all alerts. After adjusting these settings, your phone will no longer play sounds or send interruptions from selected apps, helping you stay focused during work, study, or sleep. You can always revisit the same menu anytime to re-enable notifications or customize them further based on your preferences. This method works across most Android versions, including Samsung and more. That's it. Your Android notifications are now fully under control, helping you stay focused, calm, and distraction free every day.